Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's making waves in smart home technology, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential with Trim Kit. We found this innovative thermostat online and have included a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential? This is a programmable Wi-Fi thermostat designed to help you take control of your home's climate while maximizing energy efficiency. With the ability to save up to 23% on heating and cooling costs every year, amounting to about $250 in savings, the Smart Thermostat Essential can pay for itself in just a few months. One of the standout features of this thermostat is its compatibility. It works seamlessly with about 85% of heating and cooling systems. To ensure you can easily integrate it into your home, you can use the Ecobee compatibility checker available on their support page. This makes it a versatile choice for a wide range of households. Another noteworthy aspect is the included Smart Thermostat Trim Kit. This kit is specifically designed to cover old wiring and wall imperfections, ensuring that your installation looks clean and polished. The trim plate features smooth, round edges that match the Smart Thermostat Essential perfectly, creating a cohesive look in your home. Using the thermostat is incredibly straightforward. You can adjust the temperature with a simple tap on the vibrant color touchscreen or through the highly rated Ecobee app, which also allows you to track your energy consumption on the go. And with free software upgrades, you can be sure that your Smart Thermostat Essential will remain at the cutting edge of technology for years to come. This thermostat is particularly well suited for anyone looking to enhance their home's energy efficiency. Whether you're a busy professional, a family with kids, or a retiree looking to simplify your daily routine, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential offers features that cater to a variety of lifestyles. For practical use cases, imagine coming home after a long day at work. You can set your thermostat to adjust temperatures automatically based on your schedule, so your home is always comfortable when you arrive. Or, if you're heading out for the weekend, simply use the app to set your thermostat to energy-saving mode, ensuring you're not wasting money on heating or cooling an empty house. If your home doesn't have a C-wire, don't worry, Ecobee has you covered with their Power Extender Kit, sold separately. This kit allows you to install the thermostat without needing to run additional wiring, making the process even more accessible for DIY enthusiasts. For homes where the thermostat attaches to a junction box, the trim kit is essential for a secure and visually appealing installation. Each trim plate comes with a handy mobile installation guide. With just a quick scan of the QR code on the box, you'll have all the information you need to get set up quickly and efficiently. In summary, the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Essential with Trim Kit is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade their home's heating and cooling system. It combines energy savings, ease of use, and stylish design, making it a top choice for homeowners who value both comfort and efficiency. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.